In this video, we'll simplify the fraction 27 over 81 to its lowest terms. To do that, we need to identify the greatest common factor between the numerator and denominator, and then divide both by that number. Let's start by writing out the fraction. To find the greatest common factor, it's helpful to list out the factors of both numbers. Let's list the factors of 27. Then, we'll list the factors of 81. Finally, we'll compare their factors to find the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor of 27 and 81 is 27. Now that we've identified the greatest common factor, let's divide both the numerator and the denominator by 27. When we divide both by 27, we get 1/3. This is the simplest form of the fraction 27 over 81. The simplified fraction tells us that 27 parts out of 81 is equivalent to 1 part out of 3. Simplifying fractions makes them easier to understand and compare.